Okay, Prathamesh, so let's go ahead with your mock interview for IIT Madras MS in Department of Management, right?
Yes, sir.
So very briefly tell us about you, little bit, 1 or 2 lines about you, from where you are, when did you graduate, then why you want to go for this particular course, and what would you like to do in this particular course.
Yes. So, thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. My name is Prathamesh Nasankar. I belong to Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. I have done my schooling from Ratnagiri itself. I did my bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from VIIT Pune. During engineering, I did 2 internships, one at Finolex Industry and other at RCF Mumbai. During internships, I could see different processes, different industrial things, how industrial industries work there, and I found my interest in this industrial engineering domain. That's why I need to do my MS in DOMS department. During engineering, I participated in the collegiate robotics club, where we participated in the national level competition, and we stood 22nd in all India. And while working in this project, we implemented some basic industrial engineering tools such as 5S and Kaizen, which helped us to improve our working efficiency as well as to track our continuous improvement. In final year, we did a company funded project, which is design, manufacture, and testing of flywheel test setup rig, in which our aim is to design a flywheel test setup where we to improve the efficiency of the flywheel. My responsibility was to design
Okay,
product.
Prathamesh, I only want to know what you want to do in this particular department. You mentioned about productivity and operation research.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, do you know the difference between production and productivity?
Yes. So production is basically the output of any business or any manufacturing industry, any industry, and productivity is the we can say it is an comparison factor, or we can say it is how efficient the system is. That is actually productivity. We can actually say it is output upon input generally. That is actually productivity, means how much output we are getting from given particular input.
You want to pursue a specialization in operation research, any specific domain of operation research?
So I would like to pursue it in a inventory management.
Okay, do you know the difference between operation research and operation management?
Yes, sir. So operation research basically deals with designing mathematical models or strategies to improve the efficiency or productivity of the system. And operation management involves everything, means right from uh, all the managing suppliers, manufacturing department, and till the transportation and delivery of the product to the customer. So that actually consists of it is in operation management.
Inventory is a good thing or bad thing?
Inventory can be a good thing so and bad thing also. So if you consider the example during the COVID situation, uh, the uh, the people who actually kept the things in stock. So during lockdown, it was useful for them. That inventory was good for them. But in case if you say that there is a lot of inventory in the inventory in the warehouse, but if the customer didn't demand it, so it can be a bad thing for doing operations, for moving here, for motion of other things. So it can be dangerous also.
Okay, over to Saklani sir.
Okay, so Prathamesh, so
Yes.
why we have to do the inventory management? What is the need to manage why there is a need to manage the inventory?
So basically, why we need to do inventory management is because it is necessary that the inventory, whatever we kept in stock, it should not affect our business. It should improve our business. it means while doing operations, everything should be in proper position. The employee should feel motivated, and we can do motions here and there. We can supply whatever we want at right time at right place. So inventory management is necessary in order to improve the efficiency of our business or any system.
No, so how do you? That's what I'm saying. Well, how do you improve the efficiency of the business by inventory management?
So we can use different tools to improve it, such as Kaizen, Kanban, 5S. 5S is the basic tool which can improve a lot of efficiency, and I have experienced it also. So by employing these total quality management and all these things can improve the efficiency of the company.
So, but those Kaizen and all that, are they tools of managing the inventory or something else?
It is like Kaizen is a continuous improvement, and it involves the improvement in whatever means process or inventory, whatever the systems in the company. It is basically a continuous improvement.
Okay. Can you let me know some of the specific tools which are used to manage the inventory?
ABC analysis. ABC analysis, then Pareto analysis. These are the tools. Kanban.
Have you heard about the shortage cost?
Yes, sir.
So can you give me some of the examples where you would like to avoid that shortage? Shortage,
yes. So basically, if you take the real life example, then nowadays we require masks, sanitizers, ventilators, and all these things. There should be a proper coordination between all the things. That is how we need to manufacture, how we need to where we need to means how much to keep the things in stock, and how to manage the inventory.
Is it the issue of inventory management, or is it the issue of supply chain?
I think somewhat it is an issue of inventory management also, and also the supply chain, because sometimes the people, sometimes the company do what they do shortages for their own also. So it can be a problem of inventory also. That times inventory is dumped in a also for their own business.
Okay, so I think Vishal sir, do you have any question, or we can go for the
yes, Prathamesh, what are your strengths for this particular department?
Sir, actually, I have a good academics throughout my career, and I have did projects. I have implemented these things during my robotics project also, during my final year project also, in somewhat manner, means not typically in this, but we implemented to improve our efficiency. So I know that how much important is this, and how to apply that. I have that goal oriented personality also, that, and patience also. So
you heard about lead time?
Yes, sir.
Can you explain something about this?
So lead time is the time between between the order given by the customer and the time required to deliver it to the customer. So that is
what is the
actually
role of this lead time in supply chain management?
In supply chain management nowadays, this lead time is required to actually the manufacture it, then supply it, and deliver it. That time is necessary in the system. But nowadays the most of the companies are trying to reduce it, so that the efficiency can be increased, as well as the customer satisfaction can be possible by this. That minimum the lead time, minimum will be the customer satisfaction.
Prathamesh, my last question is to you. What do you think, according to you, who's a ideal boss? Like, what are the qualities which you think are required in an ideal boss or ideal supervisor, what you can say?
Uh, According to me, that the ideal thing is that to have the proper team morale, and uh, that the all the employees should feel motivated during while doing their work, and while doing anything. So management, inventory management, operation management plays very important role in order to improve make the system effective, actually.
Fine.
So management is
Okay,
very
fine.
important.
I think we can give feedback, sir. Sir.
Yes, Vishal sir, you go ahead, then I will.
Okay. So, Prathamesh, I asked you about first strengths. You mentioned something about your academic details. That's fine. Like you can highlight that also. But other than this, you especially you need to focus on your interpersonal skill, like your technical skills. Academic detail, they also know, like they are having that particular details. So you can mention about that, like any prior experience. Suppose if you are having, okay, exposed during BTech, or any experience if you are having like related to management or related to working in the supply chain, any certification course, that is better to highlight that in that area.
So actually, I told in introduction also that we implemented 5S and Kaizen
Yes.
things. Then
So again,
so that should be
yes, again you can mention that that is a strength. You worked on this. Okay, so you can mention it as a,
actually, I felt that I mentioned those things in the introduction, so that's
yes,
why I didn't.
and second, the what reflection actually I'm getting, what you are saying, that is actually not reflecting from your face, you know? So give some expression also. Okay, expressions are also
Yes, sir.
like so if you're having that kind of experience, that kind of confidence, so you need to reflect that, sir. Yes, sir, I worked on this 5 years Kaizen, and I am having little bit experience, sir, and I'm having huge interest in that, sir. If I will get opportunity, I want to devote my full energy, full time to this particular area. So this is strength, like this you can represent. ठीक है प्रथमेश, तो थोड़ा सा वो रिफ्लेक्शन चेहरे पे लेके आना है. लीडरशिप की क्या क्वालिटी होती है? who's a good leader that on that you need to work, है ना? You related with that again supply chain. तो दैट इज अ जनरल क्वेश्चन, ठीक है? तो उस पे आप थोड़ा सा काम करो कि व्हाट यू कैन मेंशन, ठीक है? तो क्योंकि आई एम मूविंग टू, हाँ, थोड़ा सा उस पे आपको काम करना है. ओके, रिमेनिंग ऑल इट्स फाइन, है ना? सो रिमेनिंग आई एम गोइंग, यस विजेंद्र सर, आई थिंक.
ओके प्रथमेश, आई थिंक इट्स राइट. अपना एसओपी बड़े डिटेल में देख लो क्या लिखा है उसके अंदर. ऑपरेशन रिसर्च बहुत ब्रॉड डोमेन है. यू हैव टू गो इन वेरी स्पेसिफिक एरिया ऑफ ऑपरेशन रिसर्च. इन्वेंट्री मैनेजमेंट अगर बोला है, आई बिलीव यू शुड गो और एंड विजिट द डिपार्टमेंट, विजिट द रिसर्च वर्क ऑफ द प्रोफेसर्स, व्हाट दे आर डूइंग, एंड मेक इट मोर स्पेसिफिक. राइट प्रथमेश?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And let me just give you the feedback. Prathamesh, you have to be specific. You are not
Yes, sir.
specific. You're beating around the bush. When you're
Yeah.
mentioning something, first you said that why there is a need of management, this inventory management. Okay, that is okay. You said why it is required and all that. Then I asked you about the tools. So you have to be specific, right? So you started because since you are done in Kaizen, and that does not mean, okay, Kaizen is everywhere you can make use of that Kaizen process, but that is not the specific tool for the inventory.
Okay,
At the
sir,
same time, okay, I just ask you to quote that particular shortage, right? Can you give the example where we will not allow the shortage? Okay, that is okay. You said one of the example could be like the situation, that COVID situation, it happened, but at the same time, then you somehow it related to inventory. See, COVID situation was less the issue of inventory, rather it was more an issue of the supply chain.
Okay, yeah.
More specifically, if you see the current situation, oxygen and all that. So again, you correlated it not very properly. Okay, so even though you know the basics, all that, just but put the things in a very good perspective. Okay,
Good, yeah.
हाँ, जिसकी जरूरत है वहां पर उसको फिट करो. That's all. That is all required. Okay. Okay.
तो कंटेंट वाइज कैसा था? मतलब थोड़ा स्पेसिफिक नहीं था.
मैंने वहां के उसको जो चीज जहां रिक्वायर्ड है उसको वहां फिट करो.
यस,
ठीक है,
ओके
जो मोर सिग्निफिकेंट है. आंसर देना इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट आंसर में कुछ भी आंसर करना, दैट इज नॉट बीटिंग अराउंड द बुश नहीं करना, स्पेसिफिक होना है.
बराबर.
ठीक है.
यस सर.
तो फोकस करो जो आपने मेंशन किया उसके ऊपर, क्या कहते हैं, किस एरिया में आप रिसर्च करना चाहते हो, और रेस्ट आई थिंक इट्स फाइन.
बराबर.
ओके.
Okay, all the best, Prathamesh.